In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to work the star stitch from the Splatter Paint wrap. You'll have already worked your knit row as the right side, and then coming back on the wrong side row is where you'll create the stars. When you're ready to work a star stitch, you're going to purl 3 stitches together, but do not take them off of the left-hand needle. Then with the yarn in front, wrap the yarn over counterclockwise the right-hand needle to create a yarn over, and then purl into those 3 stitches once again. So you'll see we've purled 3 together, yarn over, and purled 3 together again. So we've replaced 3 stitches with 3 stitches. We haven't changed our stitch count. Then you're going to knit 1 stitch. Bring the yarn back to the front, purl 3 together, yarn over, and purl 3 together again to create another star. And then you'll work a knit stitch in between the next star and the one you just created. So between every star is a knit stitch, and the stars are created by purl 3 together, leave those stitches on the left needle as you make a yarn over around the right hand needle. So you wrap counterclockwise from the front back to the front, and then purl 3 together again, and that's what'll create the star. If you're having trouble getting into those 3 stitches, I like to pull down on the fabric with my left hand. I pull down on the fabric beneath those 3 stitches to help get my right needle inside of them. So here we go. These will look like stars. They'll sort of explode on the next row after you've knit into them. It's really beautiful. Happy knitting!